The island of Oahu, a beautiful island filled with green, luscious valleys, never-ending waterfalls, bluest beaches you will ever see, and a bustling city that never sleeps.
We're just gonna get settled in. Oh, I do not like hearing myself talk. I feel like I sound super nasally and congested. It's so weird. When I lived on Hawaii, I never got sick, like ever, but then anytime I would come visit, I just always end up getting sick, and I don't know why it's like that. I really don't know, but so just bear with me with the voice. But we're gonna check out the rooftop pool. We're gonna go take a dip in the ocean, just relax. We're kind of tired, low-key. We had a long day, we had a long time coming here, and we are just gonna relax and just have a chill first day, okay?
We woke up the next morning surprisingly feeling pretty refreshed after the long journey we had, and anytime I'm in Hawaii, I always love to make my all-time favorite breakfast, which is yogurt granola on top of a peeled papaya. It tastes so good, it keeps me full. I love to eat as much papaya as I can while I'm in Hawaii, and I always try to save the seeds. It really helps with digestion and helping you go to the bathroom. Fun fact, they taste pretty sour but super good for you. So I will be eating this most likely every single day. It is so good. On the trailhead. We ended up just getting an Uber and Ubered here because it's easier. We don't want to get towed or pay a huge fee, so tip right down to just Uber to this hike. It'll save you a lot of time and energy. We're at this nature food place and I'm trying to find some good tea. I want to try this brand. It looks really good. So I think I'm going to get one. I think I'm going to get the ashwagandha one though. I just found some chai. I can always spot out good chai. Go around in circles. I don't know what it is, but every single Hawaii trip, somehow we've been getting sick, and
I thought it would be better by today, but it's like worse. My eyes are tearing up super bad and I sound congested, and we were gonna go to church this morning but we couldn't because I'm just like, I'm not about to cough in front of a ton of people and get people sick. So I'm just drinking my decaf honey latte. It tastes pretty good. I like it. It is a little too sweet though, but
Low tide.
the water's so cold. This is so cool. It feels like a movie. Okay, I just need to jump in and not try to drag it out because it makes it worse. Oh, it's cold. Okay, should I just do it? Should I just dunk in? One, two, three. Oh, and I moved all the way. Okay, one. That tastes pretty good. Try some. Good.
It's really good.
It's really good. Worth it. It was pretty expensive though. It was like $9. This kitchen is so tiny and there's no bowls in here. It's really weird. So I'm making salad in a pot. So, you know, we're just gonna do what we got to do with what we have. So we got this little salad mix. I get these from like Trader Joe's, these salad mixes, because it's the only thing that motivates me to eat greens, because like I won't eat greens for the life of me. I don't know why. I know they're good for me. I know they'll make me feel good, but nope. Try to open this up. I only used half of the salad mix, so I'm only going to do half of this. That looks half. Yeah. Okay. Elijah's cooking up some burgers in the kitchen. We're so hungry. He's hangry. That's how you know he's hangry, because he's not even responding to me.
Let's see what they look like first. Might need a little longer. Some of my smash burgers.
Oh, we're doing smash burgers.
Yeah, that's other stuff then.
Final result. Something plain and simple. We love that.
We were a little late to the sunset, but it's okay. It was still nice to get out there and be at the beach for a little bit. It was very windy and got dark really, really fast, but still was a fun night to be out. We discovered this little mermaid cave, and I quite literally felt like I was playing mermaids in H2O. It felt so magical, so beautiful. The water was so blue and cold. Look at these rocks too, they look so beautiful. Wow, this is beautiful. This is super cool. If you're ever on a budget in Hawaii, I recommend going to Foodland and getting their poke bowls. It is so filling, it is so good. and I think it's only like $8, which is kind of crazy. Hopefully inflation never reaches Foodland, but it is so good. 10 out of 10. We eat it so many times when we're in Hawaii. After we had some lunch, we decided to go and hike the Lanikai Pillbox. It was a really steep hike, but really worth it for all of the views. Oh, the trail is pretty steep, but look at that view. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. How are you feeling, baby? It's really steep.
Heart's beating pretty good.
I know. We got this though, we're gonna do it. We're like, should we just stop here? You can see the same view, but the competitive side in me just says to keep going. Many mornings, I have to consciously remind myself to slow down, to breathe, to not have to go in this fight or flight mode for the rest of the day. I feel like many of us are very just ingrained that we have to start off with coffee, start off with work, and we never sit still, we never let our nervous system rebalance, and I just think that's so important to have a successful and good day. We just went to, what is that place called? Egghead Cafe.
Right there.
2 eggheads going to the Egghead Cafe. But he had something interesting written on his cup. We're trying to figure it out because we can't read. It says, Eli, you is one hama. No, we can't understand the last word. But we searched it up, and hama means someone very skilled and talented. So I just think that's prophetic. I think that's God talking to you. That's just how I look at it. I didn't get one though. I just got mahalo for a good time. I'm like, okay, I don't get a prophetic message. It's okay though. How does it taste?
It's pretty good. A little bit sweeter than I drink it, but it still tastes really good.
Going through the tunnels here is one of my favorite things to do. It's just so cool. We were literally driving under a valley and we were arriving at our last hike, Crouching Lion. Such a beautiful hike, 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, this hike is definitely super cool. It's really steep, but definitely not too bad. It's definitely a good beginner hike, but definitely the views are so cool, so worth coming up here. So beautiful, so beautiful. We're gonna keep going and see what else we find. We found this other little point that we want to check out, so we're gonna go do that. This is the view so far. So beautiful and windy up here. So I have to try to go all the way up there. It's pretty steep, really rocky, but it's really breezy up here, so it makes it easier. Let's do this. Well, beautiful people, our journey has officially come to an end. Thank you for joining us on our little adventure / getaway to the beautiful island of Oahu.